This man is feeding crows, he's feeding fishes at Mahim Causeway. He's a poor man. He's feeding the fishes and the crows. And I'm walking from here to Mahim Dargah. This is the Mahim Causeway. वो क्या है? वो क्या है? हाँ? नहीं, मैंने बोला क्या क्या खिला रहे हो? पाव और वो क्या है? अच्छा, तो रोज खिलाते हो आप यही टाइम पर? These are good Samaritans. He's bought a lot of food for the crows, the fish. ये क्या है? हाँ? बिस्किट? I think I'm short of hearing. And these are stories I get while walking. I have to walk. There is no excuse for my not walking, despite the lockdown, because I'm just recovering from a bypass surgery, and my sugar is rising up. I am on insulin dependent on having heart medicine, so I can't fast. But it's really tough. If the sugar rises, then I have problems with my urine, my kidneys. So this is a chapter in the story of lockdown. There's another couple, they are also feeding the pigs. This is bang opposite Nargis Dutt Nagar. Just see this. And this, the politicians, Baba Siddiqui, Mr. Ashish Shelar, Mr. Eber Khan, Mr. Asif Zakaria, they should see this. They should see this. Zahid Khan अच्छा आदमी है. And this is the second time I'm shooting here. I'm walking from Bandra to Mahim Dargah to pray for all of you. And this is a very tragic thing. And Mr. Uddhav Thackeray, Mr. Aditya Thackeray, our ruling lordship should see all this. And this is in Bandra. And this is during Ramzan, and this is during lockdown. I mean, it's tragic. And the animals are hungry, the stray animals. People have pets and then leave them on the streets and on the roads. And this is what happens. The cats, the dogs, every animal is hungry during the lockdown. Nothing has been done. And this is a garbage dump. Just see this. Jai Maharashtra. Welcome to Swachh Bharat. This is Nargis Dutt Nagar, which needs a healing touch. says खुले में शौचालय ना करें, शौचालय का उपयोग करें. Means don't urinate or defecate on the road, but go to a toilet. I don't think there's any toilet here at Bandra Reclamation. This is the Nargisgarh slums. And we are fighting Corona. We are fighting the pandemic. And this is what you see. I see what others don't see. It's really pathetic. This is Nargisgarh Nagar, Bandra West. And Nargisgarh Nagar needs a healing touch, needs somebody to lift it up, because for the sake of humanity. And I feel sorry because I used to style clothes of Mr. Sanjay Dutt, I used to style clothes of Mr. Sunil Dutt. So I feel sorry that Priya Dutt's mother is called Nargis Dutt. And this tribute could not be, is not in good. Nargis Dutt Nagar. It's a very bad tribute. They could have done something to give these people at Nargis Dutt Nagar a better life, make it a role model so that others can come and see this township. This was once upon a time a great vote bank. Now it has been abandoned, it has been neglected. The politicians come here once in 5 years and then they go away, then they will never come back here. This is the irony of our democracy, but we can't do without it. Hi friends, good evening. I have come out for my evening walk and today I take you all to a very picturesque village, or whatever you call it in Bandra, called Ranvar. During the post riots, I was staying on rent in this area. Later on, the place where I was staying was rented out to Preeti Zinta, and then later on, again after Preeti left, it was given to Shanki Pandey. And it was here that I was living with the East Indian family, mother Agnes Pereira, mother of Brian, Bosco and Basil. So this is Ranvar. Very quiet, peaceful. I'll show you the house where I was staying. Had some memorable time in this place. This is Ranvar. Stayed on the ground floor at the bungalow at the end where the bikes are. That is Agnes Pereira's house. And this is Ranvar. Very peaceful locality. I'm shooting here after a very long time. This is Ranvar, Bandra, off Veronica Street, off Baroda Road. There's a little this is Ranvar. The road has been defaced. This is known as Ranvar Square. The heritage is the Reggie Cottage, K. Smith. आप कहाँ रहते हो भाई? आप कहाँ रहते हो? अच्छा, माहिम से पैदल आते हो? हाँ? अच्छा, आपका घर वहीं है माहिम में? हाँ, आपका घर माहिम में है? This is Chimbai, and it's the East Indian fishing village. A lot of other coolies here. Most of the shops here are all closed. Chimbai has a lot of character. These are the roads that lead towards the sea. Many years back, we were planning to get a house here on the seaside, but didn't materialize. कसं काय बरं आहे? बस तुमच्या राजात आहे. This is our Lady of Velankani at Chimbai. Very beautiful. कैसा गया बाबा? भरा है? बहुत टाइम के बाद देख रहा हूँ आपको. किधर गए थे? कहाँ? हरिद्वार? कुंभ मेले में थे? The Hanuman Jayanti Utsav, Chimbai. क्या बाबा पहचाना कि नहीं मेरे को? ना प्रॉब्लम हो गया था यार। ऑपरेशन। हाँ अभी કેમ છો? મજામાં છે? This is Shimbai. This road leads towards Joggers Park. These are fishing villages. Hotel is all closed. Property is not for sale, no visitors. Amazing. Beautiful. Everything is shut. This is the lockdown. And I'm walking from Good Luck to Shimbai, from Shimbai to Joggers Park, from Joggers Park to Carter Road, and then back home. This is Vishwas. This is Glow Bites, all old bungalows. This is a nursery. This is Chapter Road. This was a wall. Then your father will say, why my son coming to the video? You have come in, I have not asked you. और क्या बोलते हैं इसको? मेरा लेना है इसको बंद मत करना।
There are more pledges.
It's a video.
Yeah.
So this is the wall, very famous wall of Chapel Road. This side Anarkali, painted by Ranjit Dhaya, tennis player and the greatest wall artist of Mumbai. His thing is known as Bollywood art project, but now it has gone. Now there's all football people around here, and the guy who's shooting my picture is also a football player. करो तुम्हारी। This is Panke Wale Baba. He is very famous and Jila Barabanki, Vanwari Gaon. I have been documenting him for many years at Ajmer and उधर भी आए थे ना?
अजमेर गए थे।
नहीं, मक्खनपुर आए थे क्या? मक्खनपुर आए थे आप?
नहीं, मक्खनपुर नहीं पहुंच पाए थे।
अच्छा।
बाबा मजबूर मेरे।
अच्छा, उन लोग का क्या हाल है? सरकार अली बाबा का क्या हाल है? और बाकी सब? So he gives you air with this. हाँ, उनका तो इंतकाल हो गया, फकरू मियाँ का।
अच्छा।
हाँ, हुजरा 6 नंबर हुजरा। अभी उनके बेटे जो गद्दी नशीन है,
हाँ।
फरीद मियाँ, उन्हीं ने संभाला है।
अभी मैं बोलिए आप।
हाँ
बोलिए इसमें आप।
हाँ, बस
मैं बोलूं?
हाँ बोलिए ना।
जिला बाराबंकी।
नहीं, वो तो बोल दिया आपने। हाँ बस, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। हो